Hi everyone, this is Dala with Bumblebee Books, and today I want to go over quickly how to add a loan and track your loan inside Bumblebee Books. This is a feature that I'm very excited about. A lot of our clients love this feature because you get a chance to not only add your interest onto the P&L, but you also get to standalone track your payments for any real estate or business line of credit transaction, and kind of just track that and keep tabs on what you owe. It's a very wonderful feature that we've actually have created. So when you're in Bumblebee Books, you go in and you just add a loan name. You go ahead and you add the type. If it's a business loan, it's a real estate. This is really good for real estate agents if you want to track any property for a year and be very tax ready. And you can do equipment if you finance equipment, line of credit, and any other type of loan that you have that you want to track. Okay, this also gives a really good kind of liability sheet for balance, and we'll show you how you can add this, the interest and the principal, the balance sheet and everything onto Bumblebee Books. It makes it very, very, very simple. Okay, once again, Bumblebee Books is built with simplicity in mind. It's a single accounting entry, so it is built for very small businesses, solopreneurs, and freelancers who just need really simple books. Okay, nothing complex, not the overhaul of QuickBooks. QuickBooks still work for some clients, but for very small businesses, this fit really good inside that scope. Okay, so once you add the lender name, you put your date of your first payment, the original loan amount from off the paperwork, your interest and everything right in here. Okay, save and generate the schedule, and they'll turn around and it'll look something like this. Okay, this is an example of one of our funders that is coming soon that will be offering small business loans to small business owners who need to fill in the gap. Okay, but for right now, this is a really good system that allow for you to track your payment and go from there. And again, so this is a really good system to track everything you need to. Then you just apply your payment. You have your first payment come in, you apply it, it splits up the interest and the principal for you. If you have any late fees or any overage fees, you can go ahead and add that, and you can place a note there, and you go ahead and apply the payment, and it'll look just like this. Okay, so you'll see $50 in interest, $812.74 in principal. Okay, and then you can just take a look here. You can pull it, generate reports here, and you can get a quick snapshot of how everything looks from here. Okay, so it just shows you a quick breakdown. So once you've done with that, maybe you want to go ahead and start tracking that actual expense onto the P&L. Again, this is a single accounting entry, so you want to go ahead and add that interest. So you made that payment on the first, and you want to go ahead and say, hey, let me add my interest onto my P&L. Like I said, this is a little bit different than QuickBooks. It is designed with um, some manual entry. And after a while, it will kind of pick up once, so you don't have to do this again. Okay, so there we go. And whether you did a bank transfer, credit card, uh, just it's optional. You don't have to put that. Once you know you have that in, you go ahead and save it. Okay, and that now it's there. And if you want to check if it shows up on your P&L, okay, you generate reports, and there we go. That interest is now showing on your P&L. Okay, so again, this is a great way to track your loans standalone, where you can keep a really good eye on uh, your loans coming in. Your help guide would be here, so you'll be able to get more help on how to do this if you run into any issues. And that's it. That's exactly how you go in and load those transactions. You'll see your recent activity, you'll see things that you basically need to track that. All right. Well, thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at the Self Employed Lab. We'll be more than happy to help you with the Bumblebee Books.